Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In this video, I will show you how to join a random group on Snapchat so you can meet new people and start chatting instantly. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure you are logged in. Step 2. Tap the story icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to view public posts from friends and others. Step 3. Tap the search icon at the top right corner to access the search feature. Step 4. In the search bar, type group and hit search to see available random groups on Snapchat. Step 5. Browse through the list and tap on the group that you are interested in joining. Step 6. Tap the add button to join the selected group and become a participant. Step 7. Once you have joined, the group will appear in your chat section and you can start interacting with all the members. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.